The earlier governance of under this AM Parikarji, we had a mixed government. It was joint, and I think the state progressed pretty well. So as of now, I think with an ensemble of three parties, I feel that the state should progress as it did earlier. I'm here to support my party, and as of now, I'm here for Shripad Naikji and Narendraji, and in whichever way that I can help the party in the present elections by encouraging the people to come forward and express their in whichever way that they can come forward and help us with their unke mat ko leke. So that's basically my role as a celebrity, as an actor, in whichever way that I can help my party is what I'm here for.
Celebrities are joining politics.
Yeah.
So what do you think? What made them to join politics in large number?
About various people, I cannot really comment, because to each his own. I can speak for myself. And all I can say is, as a citizen of a country, as a responsible citizen of a country, my nation has helped me achieve a certain status. And I am, I recognize that, I respect that, and I am completely, I would think that it is only because of you all that I am here, I can stand here. I think it is give back time. And I, from a long time, wanted channelized way of working to help the helpless. And I just realized, and I thought that the party that I am speaking on behalf of right now has done a lot in their jurisdiction and has proved their mettle. And this was largely a reason for me to join hands with the party that I'm with, and I'm speaking about Bajpa right now.